get down to business as we eat our food. The digestive system helps it turn to poo. We chew, then we swallow the food we eat. Then it starts, that's right, it's true. Digestion's inside of you. First, the esophagus pushes our food down to our little bellies, and acids break it down. Our foods turn into a mushy blob. Our intestines push it through. Digestion's inside of you. It's never gonna make it down. Say goodbye to all things yummy. Boy, was I a fool for eating all those chips. This digestive system's cool. Hope that it'll go right through me. Knowing that the system works is just the best. We digest. We must be careful with what we eat. We digest. Let's switch from junk food to healthy treats. We digest. We eat our food and it travels through us. The digestive system makes me feel my best. Hi there, 4th grade, and welcome back to Science with Miss Hyrcza. Today we're going to do an experiment that shows us how our digestive system works. Hopefully you caught on to some of the lyrics from my song earlier. All you need for this experiment is a plastic bag, a cracker of some sort. We have graham crackers in our house, so I figured I'd use one of those. And some kind of soda or drink that has carbonation, which means that it has bubbles in it. And we just so happen to have Mountain Dew, so that's the drink I chose. Now, when we start with the digestive system, the first thing that happens is you put food into your mouth. Now, we're not going to eat our crackers, but we're going to pretend that this baggie is our mouth. So when you put the food into your mouth, the first thing you do is you start to chew, right? And when you chew the food, you're breaking it down a little bit, right? Because you don't want to swallow big chunks of food because then you could choke, right? So you make sure that you chew the food, break it down a little bit so that it is easier for you to digest. Now, once the food is broken down enough, and you can see here I broke it down a pretty good amount. It's just nice crumbles and stuff right now. Then you swallow your food, right? When you swallow your food, it goes down your esophagus, and the esophagus is like a muscle that pushes the food down, and then it goes into your stomach. Your stomach is where the magic happens. So in your stomach, there are acids, and so the Mountain Dew is going to serve as our acid. And when you add the acid, so when the food is in your stomach, all the acids start to go to the food. So I'm just going to pour a little bit in, and you'll notice there's some bubbles in there already. And so when it's in the stomach, I don't want it to pop. You mush it around even more. And I'm noticing as I'm mushing it that it's becoming really, really soft and mushy. It's almost like a pudding consistency. It's really starting to become more liquidy and mushier and mushier. So this is what happens in your stomach. It's breaking down the food even more because the food is not done traveling yet, right? So the stomach is not the last stop. So as you can see, let me cap that. As you can see, my food has become a mushy substance. The graham cracker has turned into a really mushy, it's almost like clay or like a putty or something. So when it gets really mushy, that is because of the stomach's acids. Now, the next thing that happens is your food leaves your stomach and goes down through your intestines. And when it goes through your intestines, it ends up coming out of your body in what we know as poop. Yes, I know it's a funny word, but it comes out as poop, right? Or urine. So when we pee or poop, that is what's happening because of our digestive system. Okay, you can laugh. It's fine. It's a funny word. It's fine. So after it goes through and digests, that's how you know your digestive system is working. So without this step, some bad things could happen and things could really go wrong. So we are very thankful for our stomachs and their stomach acids that help to break down our food. Hopefully you found this helpful. Hopefully you got to try this at home. And I hope that you understand how important our digestive system is, all right? So the next thing you have to do is go on to our website and make sure you answer those questions about the digestive system on our website. And after that, you are all set. So thanks for watching 4th grade. See you next time on Science with Miss Hyrcza.